Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the getting started guide on the Selphy Cp1300. I will be using the instructions as I haven't put this together yet. You will need your ink cartridge, your paper, and everything that came in the box. Alright, so we'll start with the instructions. So we got to prepare loading the ink cartridge. So check the ink cassette size, make sure the size of the ink cartridge matches the paper size you'll be using. Open the ink cassette compartment, which is here. Alright, so we got that. We're going to open this, I think. So the next step is to load the ink cassette in. So that is it there. Make sure you don't get the plastic in there. So load that in and close the little door. Okay, that's in. Next section, we're going to load the paper. Yeah. Please bear with me, it's my first time doing a getting started guide. Okay, so we need to load the paper. We've got to open the covers. So you've got two covers. We've got open one and two. So that's two. So then we've got to load the paper. So remove the paper from the packaging. Then I can figure that out. Now you've got to remove it and take out all the other stuff. So you've got the brand side and the glossy side. Then remove any protective sheets from the paper and load all 18 sheets into the paper cassette. And we need it shiny side up. So that's that. Then hold the paper as shown with the glossy side up, which we've done. So when making the postcard prints, the space for the stamp, load the paper with the stamp area facing as shown. Now we close the inner insert, close, and then open the cassette. So move the rubbish, take this sexy plastic off. So we're going to take that off. I'm going to put that down gently. So then it says to insert this in there. Alright. And it clicks into place. Okay, so now we are going to plug it in. Okay, so let's plug it in. So we've got the plug, and I think, where does it go? Okay, it goes in the back there, just here. So we plug that in, put it down, and plug it into some power. Okay, she's turned on. So now we are going to check that I've got it all right. So we've done the power. So we turn the Selphy on. Do we have to hold it down? There we go. Just move it over for you. It's just turning on. Let it do its thing. So we've got it on, it's on select and print. So choose setup. Where is the setup button? Oh, down there. Go setup. Now what? Choose printer setup. Okay. So ID. Push OK, then choose the language. Language is English. English. Okay. And then push the OK button. Okay. Oh, we're going to put the date, are we? This will be a learning curve. Okay, we're going to put the date in. We want date, month, and year. Ooh, it's being cheeky. Weird. It's not working. That's alright. We'll just go and do it. Get this thing printing so you can watch it. Okay, so we're going to do the basic printing from a smartphone. We need to download the app. So just let me quickly grab my phone. I might already have it on there. Maybe not. Right. So it wants me to download the Canon. Oop, can't spell today. So it wants, oh, maybe I do have it. Okay, so it wants me to download the Canon print. I'll just get it over here on the instructions. So it wants me to get the Canon print inkjet selfie app. So I'm just going to update that. Might need to turn my Bluetooth on. Bluetooth, right. So Wi-Fi's on. Okay, so we're going to try and sync. You got to do the enable the Wi-Fi, set your Wi-Fi connection up, which I've done. We just connected it to my home. And we go okay, okay. So now you open up your Canon print inkjet selfie. Find your printer. There's my printer. Click it. Print photo. So I'm just going to find a photo from my phone. And we're going to do the clown. Next. I'm going to do it borderless, I think. Paper's not selected yet, I know. We'll do a border. Back to print. I don't know how the first one will come out. Hopefully it comes out okay, but we'll find out. It doesn't look right though. Okay, there it is. Yep. No image. Well, that was smart. Go back and find my clown. Add. Next, print. Print with the following printer for the first time, please confirm. Okay. So now we'll see how it goes. And you'll get to see it. It's warming up. Better move everything out of here. Forgot about that. I will just rotate it a little so the lead stays out of the way, and you'll get to see it all in action. So it's just done the yellow. It's gonna do magenta. Cyan. How awesome does it look? And it's finished. Okay, so that's it there. That was the very first print from out of the box. So once you get it connected to your phone and your Wi-Fi, it runs smoothly. Alright then guys, thanks for watching. I will be doing more unboxings along the way as I get things. I do have a few videos that I need to record, edit, and get them up. But this one was one of these. So keep watching, subscribe, don't forget to like. I actually love how that turned out. It's awesome. And then what you do is you just bend these and peel them off. Okay. Throw it away. I know I probably should have done my photo a little bigger and filled the page, but it was the first photo. But that's okay. Alright then guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more and don't miss out on any more content, please subscribe and you'll get notified when I upload some more. Alright then guys, catch you later. Bye.